In 2007, a father in India laughed when his 20-year-old son showed him a smartphone. Father said, "Phone का काम सिर्फ call करना होता है," meaning the utility of phone is only for making a call. And today, that man stands in long queues, depends on other for booking tickets from apps or even basic banking and medical reports. And the son, he runs his life from one screen. This is not technology story. This is a life survival story. And by the end of this video, you will know why 2026 is not optional anymore. This video is not about gadgets, not about coding, not about becoming a techie. This is about one decision that will quietly decide your career growth, your money, your time, your independence, whether you are 20, 40 or 60. Because the biggest life lesson of this decade is simple. Technology is no longer extra. It is basic survival. Let me start with something uncomfortable. Earlier, learning technology was a choice. Now, not learning, it is also a choice, but with consequences. A 22-year-old student today has doubts at 2 a.m. Earlier, he waited for tuition. Now, he asks an AI assistant and learns instantly. A 35-year-old professional spends 2 hours on Excel work. Another finishes it in 15 minutes using smart tools. A 55-year-old wants to understand his medicines. Instead of guessing or trusting WhatsApp forwards, he clicks a photo and asks. Same intelligence, same efforts, different outcomes. Why? Because one person upgraded, the other didn't. And this gap is only getting wider. Let's break one myth first. AI will not replace humans. Humans using AI will replace humans who don't. Now let me show you real life examples, not theory. For a 20-year-old, you don't know what career to choose. Engineering, MBA, design, abroad. Instead of confusion, you ask, explain these careers like I am 15 years. You get clarity, you learn faster, you stand out in interviews. Same degree, different confidence. For a 30 to 40-year-old, you're working hard, but time is killing you. Meetings, emails, planning, Excel, PPT. Now imagine your presentations drafted in minutes, your reports summarized instantly, your travel plans optimized to save money. You don't work less, you work smarter. Result: more time, less stress, better growth. For a 50 to 60-year-old, health, savings, independence matter. You check what this medicine actually does. Whether this food is good for your age or gut, how to plan a trip without overpaying. You're not dependent, you're informed. Any information is power at any age. Now comes the dangerous part. This is just the base layer. On top of this, entire ecosystem are building. Designing without designers, presentations without agencies, videos without studios, business plan without consultants. A person with 1 to 2 lakh capital today can ask, can I start a small chicken farm? And get cost breakdown, vaccination schedule, margin estimates, expansion ideas. Earlier, this knowledge was locked with experts. Now it is democratized. The real question is not, is AI good or bad? The real question is, will you learn to use it or be used by those who do? Because by 2027, the world won't wait for late adopters. Let me end with this. Technology doesn't make you special. It makes you capable. It saves your time. It protects your money. It upgrades your thinking. Whether you are 20 or 60, this is your assistant, your teacher, your planner. Ignore it and life becomes harder than it needs to be. So ask yourself tonight, am I upgrading my phone only or upgrading myself too?